So guys, I already have my face completed and everything. I've already done my foundation and everything like this, simply because this is not a tutorial. It is a makeup challenge, and I'm super duper nervous, y'all. I'm so nervous. I don't even know what to do. And let me just say, before y'all even get into the video, my eye has been crying. Like, it's just been watering. So we're gonna have to deal with this whole video. It's because of this contact, and it was easier for me to put the contact in with my makeup done than to take this contact out of my eye with my makeup done. So I just went ahead and popped this contact back in, and you know what they say, beauty is pain. So we're gonna go ahead and get on into this look, you guys. And I'm not gonna talk for too much longer because we gotta come up with this this look. I don't even know. I tried to analyze this palette, y'all. I'm using the Take Me Back to Brazil palette by BH Cosmetics. I've tried to analyze this palette so much, but it's hard. There's 32 colors in the palette, and then they have, well, I guess there will be, I don't really know if you want to consider these as colors, but we're gonna see. We're not gonna cheat, we're gonna see. That's what I'm gonna say. We're gonna see. We're gonna try to incorporate all of these colors in this palette. So there's about 36 palettes, just like the Morphe palette would be about 36 palettes. So we're gonna try to incorporate all of these colors out of the BH Cosmetics palette into our one palette makeup challenge today. So without further ado, we're gonna go ahead and get right on into the video. And oh my goodness, y'all, I do not know what colors I'm gonna start off with first. I don't know nothing about nothing. I don't know, but it's okay. We're gonna go ahead and start. It's okay. So for me, the first color that I'm gonna go in with, I'm gonna take this yellow. I'm gonna take the yellows out of the palette first, and I'm gonna use those. I'm gonna blend those in my crease first. So I'm going in with the lightest one first, and we're just gonna work on blending that. This is gonna be, I'm gonna take it high, like right directly underneath my eyebrow bone, because I want that space on my lid to be able to incorporate all of these colors that's in the palette. Okay, so now I'm gonna go in with the next yellow. The next yellow I'm taking out of the palette is that one right there. We're going in with that one next. I'm gonna put that one in my crease as well, right on top of the yellow that I just got through blending. And we're gonna take it all the way in and bring it all the way out. Okay, now I'm going in with the next yellow in that palette right here. And y'all, they got some like bronze colors in this palette, and I don't know what I'm gonna do with those colors. I just don't know. I don't know. All right, so I'm just dusting this color right on top of the color that I just got through applying, and I'm just brushing that into my crease as well. And y'all, I'm so nervous. I don't know what this look gonna come out like. I don't know. Now I'm going in. What am I gonna go in with? Okay, I'm gonna go in with the green. I'm going in with all the greens now. So all of the greens, I'm going in with all of those now. So I'm gonna start with the lightest green first. Let me pick up another brush actually. I'm gonna start with the lightest green first, and I'm gonna go in with that one. And I'm gonna just blend that in my crease. Now I'm going to go back and pick up that darker green, well, another dark green underneath that light green. I'm going to go back and pick up this one and this one. I'm going to mix those two together just to knock out one bird. Two birds with one stone. Sorry, knock out one bird. Come on, yeah. I'm going to blend this here as well. All right, so now I'm gonna go in with this darker green. I'm gonna go in with these two greens, and I'm gonna darken up the crease. So I'm still working in that darker green. I have to go take that contact out, you guys, because it was just not gonna let me be great throughout the whole video. So I just went ahead and took it out so I didn't have to keep pausing and wiping my eye and whatever. It's still gonna water because it's agitated, but it's not gonna be as bad. So now that I have that green in there, I got it in there as much as I'm gonna get it in there. All right, so now that I got that green in there, I'm gonna go ahead and start working these blues into my crease. We're gonna go with those. I don't know how or why or when, but we're just gonna go with them. I don't know when we're gonna work the pink or the purple in, but we're gonna go. We're gonna put the blues. Oops, I did not want to put that brush in there, but I did. Okay, so I'm gonna put my brush. I'm gonna blend all of them together. So let me show y'all so y'all don't think I'm cheating on using all the colors. We didn't use all of our yellows. We have used all of our greens. And now I'm gonna blend all of these blues together right here. So I'm gonna put my brush here, 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 and here. Now we have all of those blended together, and we're gonna see what kind of color we get in this crease. On top, well, underneath this green. So we're gonna blend that right there. And we're putting it all in the crease, all here. We're gonna blend all of that in. Oh my goodness, this is horrible. This has become so horrible. Oh my god. What? Oh my gosh. Okay. So now that we blended all those crazy blues in there, we're gonna go and I'm gonna take the pinks. I'm gonna start working with the pinks. I'm gonna work with all the pinks. And I'm gonna get my brush like, no. Yeah, I'm gonna take my brush like this and I'm gonna start working with all the pinks, and we're gonna focus on blending all those pinks together. So I'm gonna go ahead and mix majority of the pinks. Let me show y'all which ones I'm mixing together. I'm mixing this one, this one, this one, and then this one. And then we'll come back for the rest of the colors. I'm gonna go ahead and take this one too. All right, I'm gonna just blend that in too, I guess. Hopefully it does something wonderful. Cause oh my god, right now, we look crazy. We look real crazy. But it's cool. We're gonna see. Alright. So now I'm gonna go in and take this darker one right here and I'm gonna blend that into my crease as well. I'm actually gonna mix it with this red. So I'm gonna go in with that pink. When I say this look like a hot mess, this look like a hot mess. Who? I'm not gonna even say who, because we know who came up with the challenge. Okay, that we know. We know who came with the challenge. All right. So now I've used up all my reds. I'm gonna go into my purples over here, because that's what's left for me to use. I'm gonna go here, right here, and all my little purples, and I'm gonna just try to blend out. Ugh, let me just try to, oh, y'all. Let me try to blend these colors together. This is horrible. And I mean horrible. Alright. So I got all those blended together. So now I'm going and playing with the purples. And I did not use this dark one right here, so we're going to use that one as well. But I'm going to go ahead and incorporate the purples into my eye. Take a clean brush so I can incorporate the purples. Let you guys see that. Me mix the purples together. I'm mixing all the colors together. I'm kind of cheating, y'all. I'm mixing the colors together, but they didn't say how to not do the challenge. So, yeah. So now I'm going to take this into my crease and we're going to work that in as well. Hopefully it gives us like a darker crease area, if you will. Because we're going to need it. We're going to need it. Okay, so anyways, like I was saying, I'm going to take some of this black at this bottom. I am going to use the black. I told y'all I was going to find a way to incorporate it. I'm going to take this black right here at the bottom of this palette and I'm going to put it like on the outside of the eye, because we're going to go and do a half cut crease. We might as well take a little bit of all of this color that we just put on away. We're going to do a half cut crease. That's what we're going to do, y'all. So I'm going to take this black and I'm just going to blend it here. I'm going to pat it in this area right here because that's all we want it in. We just want it at the end. Just like that, and we'll know where to go in and do our crease bobber thing. But yeah, just like that. Let me see. Oh, let's go and try to blend it out. Right? I don't know how do we get this color out of all these colors, y'all, but we ain't gonna complain because it's kind of looking a little curved. Okay, it's kind of looking a little curved, so we ain't gonna complain. I'm gonna go ahead and take my Shape Tape concealer, and that's what I'm gonna use to help me achieve my cut crease. I'm gonna just put a little bit of the product on the back of my hand. I'm gonna take my concealer brush that I got off of Amazon. I will put the link in the description box down below so you guys can find that. I'm going to take my concealer brush and I'm going to use this to cut my crease. Okay, so while that's just warming up, or while that's drying, I'm gonna go back into the palette. I'm gonna take this black color and I'm gonna mix it with some of that purple, and I'm just gonna pat it on the end to just blend it and not make it so harsh when I go and add the color that's gonna go on the outskirts of it. So I'm just pat that on the ends of the concealer. So it just looks like it blended on in and it's not harsh. We don't have a harsh crease. Like that. Alright, now what is defeating me, y'all, is that I don't know what color. Oh yeah, I didn't use one color, but oh my gosh, how is that gonna look? I don't know. I didn't use these colors right here. I didn't use this one and this one. I didn't use those. I incorporated these with my green, so I didn't use these two. So we're gonna see what we can do with those right quick, y'all. Because all we have is a lid left. I mean, we have, I don't know. I mean, we got a lid and we got some under eye, but we're going to see. This don't even look like it want to be. Oh, man. Okay, so I'm going to use this one as seeping into the crease. I'm going to leave this one right here. And I'm going to use this color for exactly this right here. And I'm going to just pat it to blend it. And I'm going to take, let me see. Okay. Alright. And then I'm going to go in with this one and I'm going to put it at the beginning of the crease. Right, so I'm going to take that one. And I'm just going to pat it. And I'm going to spray this one with my Mario Rose Water Setting Spray. Because I just think that it'll boost it up a lot. So I'm just spray that. And I'm going to go and just pat it into the little area that I have left. Probably would have worked if I took a smaller brush, don't you know? Alright, so I'm going to go and take a smaller brush to get in there. Because I cannot get in there. Here we go. Alright, here we go, there we go, here we go, there we go, here we go, there we go. Alright, I'm going to spray it. And then I'm going to just put it in that little area that we have left. And just kind of blend those colors on top of each other. Let me tell y'all, I was a little scared, but I'm okay now. I'm okay. So, what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna go ahead and do this eye off of camera, and I'm gonna do my under eye, and then we'll come back and put on the lashes and everything like that. Okay, so this is what I got. I just finished this eye. I did go and use all of the colors in the BH Cos. Well, the colors that I didn't use were these 3 right here, and then of course the black ones and the 2 white ones. I couldn't really find anything to incorporate the white with, so I did not use the 2 white ones. I hope that doesn't disqualify me as cheating or anything, but I didn't use the white. Well, I guess I kind of did. I did pat it down. I pat my concealer down on my eye. But anyways, this is the eye that we created with this BH Cosmetics palette, you guys. And I'm just going to go and put on my favorite go-to eyelashes. I will put the information down below for my eyelashes in the description box, because I do not have the packaging that they came in. And I don't just want to show you guys some lashes and you'd be like, okay, well, what kind of lashes are they? So I'll put the information to the lashes in the description box down below, y'all. Okay, so this is the look that I created with the one makeup palette challenge. And I used the BH Cosmetics palette to take me back to Brazil. If you guys like this look and you feel like I did a wonderful job, go ahead and give me a thumbs up. Go ahead and subscribe to my channel if you are not subscribed. And I will see you lovely forever dolls in my next video. I love you guys so much, and bye.